Mastering task management in HubSpot with saved views. Many HubSpot users face problems when it comes to managing tasks. They struggle to efficiently organize and access relevant information. But worry not. We have a solution for you: saved views. So, let's get started. Saved views allow you to create customized views of your tasks based on any specific criteria. Say you regularly filter tasks by properties like task owner, due date, or priority to help you quickly access the tasks needing your attention. With Saved Views feature, you can now save your view of tasks with all the filters applied. After logging into your HubSpot account, navigate to Sales and click on Tasks from the drop-down menu. You will see the list of tasks. This can be huge, but you can filter the tasks here to see what is important right now. Suppose you want to see your tasks due in next 24 hours and prioritize them for the day. Then apply the filters like due date within next 24 hours and set the assignee as yourself. To save this list as saved view, simply click on Add View. Select Create a new view. Give the name for view, say My Urgent Tasks. Click on Save, and your tasks view is created and saved. Now, say you want to further filter this list. If you work regularly using calls and emails, then you can apply the filter for task types by selecting calls/emails. This will filter the tasks where call/email needs to be sent as the task. If you follow to-do lists/tasks, then select the to-do option for task types. We have selected to-do for our example here. Now, simply click on Save View link to save these additional filters applied. In case you want to save this tasks list with additional filters as another new view, you can do that too. Saved views can definitely save your time and enhance your productivity by staying organized and focused, plus help you keep track of your important things at a glance. Saved views can also be shared easily with your team, ensuring everyone stays aligned and on track. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tips. And remember to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.